In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and modify the expiration date in Docusign, the easiest way, just in under 5 minutes. Let's dive straight in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, we need to head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for being the #1 solution in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to manage their agreements efficiently. If you aren't already familiar with their platform, don't worry. Taking these steps will give you a good grasp of how to handle essential features like expiration dates. Once you are on the Docusign homepage, look for the login button, which is typically at the top of the page. Clicking on that will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account just yet, you can easily sign up and set one up. It's crucial to be logged into your account to access all features effortlessly. After logging in, navigate to the Docusign home. This is your command center on Docusign where you can manage all your documents. From here, you'll have the option to start preparing your documents for signing. Simply click on the Start button. This button is your gateway to preparing new documents or envelopes that you need others to sign. Now, once you've selected or uploaded a document, you'll want to access the more detailed settings to adjust specific options to suit your needs. To do this, locate and click on the Advanced Options. This will open up a suite of settings that you can customize for your envelopes or documents. Among these options, look for the Expiration section. Once you find it, click on it to reveal settings related to the expiration period of your envelope. Here you can set how long your documents will remain available for signing. Typically, setting an expiration date is crucial because it governs when the envelope will expire, if not signed by all parties. Whether you want to set it for a week, a month, or any other duration, you can make that decision here. Just make sure to save any changes before exiting this screen. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to add and modify the expiration date of documents in Docusign. By following just these few straightforward steps, you can ensure your documents are timely and your agreements stay on track. Keep exploring the platform to discover more features that can further streamline your workflow and agreement processes. Remember, the key is to experiment with settings to find what best suits your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.